What's up you guys, welcome to another Java tutorial, and in this tutorial we're going to create an email formatter. And if you're saying, okay Mo, what the heck is an email formatter? So if you ever sent an email in your entire life, I'm pretty sure that you did, but you will realize that people normally start typing their emails by saying, okay, dear the person that you're sending it to. In this case, I'm sending this email to Melissa. It's going to be a really good email, actually, by the way. And then I'm going to fill in the necessary things that I want to fill. For example, I'm going to say, hey, Melissa, please, I want to go out with you. And then the second line could be, hey, Melissa, why don't you answer your cell phone? And then the third line could be, Melissa, please call me back. Something like that. And then I'm going to end it by saying, thank you so much, Mo. But I've realized that each time I type in an email, I follow the same pattern over and over and over and over again. I was like, you know what? I might as well just create a program that formats it for me. Wouldn't it be so cool? So let's go ahead and implement that. Let's go ahead, right click, new Java class. And let's go ahead and name it letter. And give it some space right here. And let's go ahead and declare our variables. So the first variable that we want is private final string from. And as you guys can see, it's giving me an error, but it's gonna be gone in a second. But I just want to explain everything for you. Private, it means it's within the class. People outside of our class can't access it. What final means is basically once this variable is set equal to something, it will never ever change. Simple enough. All right, it's a string variable and that's the name of it. Simple enough. Whoa. Okay, and let's go ahead and duplicate that and type in 2 because it's from Mo and it's to Melissa. That's why we need two different variables. And then we want the last one to be a string variable, but we don't want it to be final. And this is where we're going to store all the good stuff. Like, hey Melissa, I want to go out with you, blah blah blah, why don't you call me back, and all that good stuff. So go ahead and set it equal to an empty string, and we're going to be filling this empty string with text that we're going to add to this variable line by line. If you don't know what I'm talking about, or if this doesn't make any sense, just go ahead and type along with me and you will get it. So the first thing that I want to show you guys is this. I really want to show you how you can create or how can you implement a constructor. So the first thing to create a constructor, all you got to do is type in public and then go ahead and copy the name of your class and paste it. So every time you want to create a constructor, you type in the name of the class right here, type in public, the name of the class, and this is how you can create a constructor in Java. And if you're saying, okay Mo, I don't understand what a constructor is, can you please explain? Well, the only difference, like what makes constructors unique is basically this. Let me put it this way. Once you create an object from the class letter, the constructor is automatically called. It's not like a method. You need to create an object from it and use that object and you say the name of the object dot and call the method. No, the constructor is automatically called. And if that doesn't make any sense, then just tap along with me and I will demonstrate it for you. And the constructor is going to take two parameters, is from and string 2. And let's go ahead and type in from and set that equal to f and 2 and set that equal to t. And as you guys can see, the error is gone. It's saying, okay, once I pass in something here and something here in my constructor, this variable will never change. Like once I said it's from Mo and it's going to Melissa, these variables will never change because they are final variables. All right, simple enough. Let's go ahead and implement two other methods.